I'm from Ohio, and I play the piano, and I'm going to be accompanied by the most amazing singer in the world. Oscar just was a normal dog, and he loved to play fetch. He likes to go to the park and go for walks until about a year and a half ago, and then everything changed. I started taking piano lessons, and while I was at the piano, he just started singing, and I was like, wow, I couldn't even believe it. I'm not like a musical genius or anything on the piano. I'm not a pianist. I've only played in front of 40 people at a piano recital, so this is way bigger than what I thought. Simon has been looking for a singing dog for years, and now he's going to see a real singing dog. Hi.
Hello.
Hi, hello.
Okay, this is what I've been looking forward to. So who have we got here?
I'm Pam, and this is my dog, Oscar.
Okay, how old is he?
He is 3 years old.
He's adorable.
Yeah, thank you. I love him. He is adorable.
And Pam, how old are you?
I am 59 years old.
You look good. Okay, and tell me why you've entered the show this year.
Because Oscar has a very unique talent. He can sing.
What?
When I play the piano, he can sing.
Are you winding me up?
No, I'm telling you, he can sing. He can hold a note. He can even do a vibrato and everything. Yeah,
what?
Yeah, he can.
Wow. And when did he learn how to sing?
He started singing about a year and a half ago in my living room when I was playing the piano. And so then I worked with him, and now he really sings.
So does he write his own lyrics or what?
You know what? He doesn't write them yet, but I have a feeling that he might.
I don't want to expect too much, but yeah, I'm not kidding. I've done this show a long time, and I always said if we could find a dog that could sing, that would be everything to me. Good luck.
All right, thank you. All right, Oscar, let's get ready here.
He's on key. Have you got the giggles?
Dolphin. Turkey. Horse.
That's great.
Dog. This is for you, Simon. Dog. My duck.
Brilliant.
Now, my rooster.
Hi, I'm Howie Mandel.